So I'll be showing you how to turn vibration on or off on your Nokia phone. So go to menu, scroll down to settings, and then go to tone settings. Under tone settings, scroll down to vibrating alert, select that, and then you can choose to turn it on or off or vibrate when ring. Now on basically will turn on vibration, off will turn off all vibrations, and then vibrate when ring basically means when you have an incoming call, your phone will first of all vibrate for some time before it starts ringing. So select the option you want from here and then press OK, and then you can hit the back button all the way back to the main home screen. Thanks for watching and good luck.